Hey trophies, welcome to Muscle Flex Monday. How are we doing? Excellent job getting to class today. I'm so proud of you for staying on trophy track. We offer classes 6 days a week on this channel. So if you want to commit to every workout, they are all beginner level, all very easy and fun. And so stay on track, hit the daily workout. And if you miss a workout, you could feel spontaneous and do the workout on another day to make up for it. Another thing that you could do is hit these classes twice a day. Just giving you ideas because they're all about 10 to 20 minutes. And so if you want, you could do the class either once or twice through, or you could do it once in the morning, once in the afternoon. Just throwing it out there for you. I'm on my Seller Sizer Rebounder today. You can find information on this rebounder, my favorite rebounder, in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get started. Of course, we have our handlebar here too because it's a performance bar. It makes us stretch deeper and strengthen deeper. So it's a must. You have to have a handlebar for this class. I suppose you could do it without one, but you will have to modify your movements. For the first minute, just go ahead and give me some baby bounce here, massaging your body inside and out. And you can do this however you want. There's many ways to just relax and health bounce. You can keep your feet connected. You can give yourself a little hip twist. This is with a mid bounce. You can add more mid bounces. You can also take the mid bounces out and just do a nice rock here. You could jump higher. You could swing your arms one at a time or both at a time. Just relax, mouth closed, and we're getting ready to start this workout. The first move we're going to be doing is a tricep pump glute squeeze. So hands on the handlebar, squeeze those buns, and get going here in 3, 2, 1. So point your feet out, keep your feet mostly connected, and then squeeze your buns while you pump your triceps into your handlebar. So keep your elbows in tight, keep your jaw closed, and keep your body firm and centered up your mat, right up the middle of your mat. And just connect your mind to muscle. I like to squeeze at about 30%, maybe 40% if I'm feeling frisky. And then I want to last the whole minute. I like to make my lips tight together as well, giving my jaw a little extra flex. If I notice any neck tension, I just let go of the jaw flex, keeping my teeth together. Perfect. The first move we're going to do is a high bicep curl extension. 3, 2, 1. So go ahead and relax your glute squeeze. Give me a nice contraction here in your bicep and extend, 2, 3, contract. Extend, contract. Now I want you to make your back strong, your core strong, and keep your jaw parallel to the ground. Feel that lengthening and shortening. You can coordinate your breath with it as well. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Extend, contract. Just keep your breathing relaxed and calm. You don't need to overbreathe. You actually want to breathe a little bit less than you might breathe, just as good practice. Perfect. We're going to do a side reach next. In 3, and 2, and 1. Go ahead, extend and contract, keeping your hand nice and straight and fingers tight. Pull it in, extend, and now feel your back muscles and your core muscles staying strong. You can even have a little firm squeeze in your other arm. Switching sides in 3, 2, and 1. Extend, contract. Perfect. Staying poised. Excellent job. Next is going to be a tricep extension. Excellent. In 3, 2, and 1. Extend, contract. Keep your hand facing in, and then keep your arm tight into your side, standing right up the middle of your mat, jaw closed, firm core and back, squeezed in your upper body. Switching sides in 3, 2, and 1. Extend, contract. Mind to muscle. We're bodybuilding. We don't need to have high heart rate. We need to have mind to muscle connection. Great job. Keep your eye muscles relaxed. We're going to grab another glute squeeze, tricep flex. In 3, and 2, and 1. So squeeze those buns. Put your hands on your handlebar, elbows in tight. Now keep those glutes squeezed while you pump. 30%, 40% intensity. Just relax and feel the tug with every bounce. If ever there's neck tension, just relax your neck muscles. For the last 15 seconds of this minute, we're just going to do a little hip rock, relaxing the full body. So stay strong here for 5 and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and just relax and give me a hip rock here. You can even give your shoulders a little lift, side to side. Just stay loose and relaxed. And now we're going to do some walking, so let's start walking. All right, so strong core, strong back, walking at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, but I am going to have us walk in 30% and then walk back out to the outer part of our mat, come back in. This is very strengthening for the joints and for the muscles. So it doesn't need to be at maximum intensity. Just push and relax while everything strengthens and you keep your heart rate in that perfect fat burn zone while you nose breathe, keeping your jaw closed. You are welcome to keep your upper body nice and squeezed if you want, just for a little added muscle activation. It's just an internal squeeze that keeps you nice and firm and centered. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and walk now at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Let's go ahead and bring 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and just take it easy here. If ever there's too much activation, you're welcome to just pop up into a nice baby bounce. Otherwise, you can also just not bend your knees as much and just walk more upright. Otherwise, stay in the game here, the activation game, pushing front to back. And at the 30-second mark, we'll switch around to the other side. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. So, other foot forward. Feel your knee strength. Feel your leg strength. Hold your handlebar. Stay centered down the middle of your mat. Core strong. You could even squeeze your glutes here. Just calm breathing. Next, we're going to do crossing over. So come back to 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and now walk around your mat and then cross over. You can cross all the way over to 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock if you're feeling frisky. Otherwise, 10 o'clock, 4 o'clock is excellent. 11 o'clock, 5 o'clock is fantastic as well. Stay here in the cross. Just take it easy. Perfect. Let's go ahead and bring it back around. All the way up and over. Crossing over this way. Strong core, strong back. Mind to muscle connection. Mind to joint connection. Jaw parallel to the ground. Let's bring it back. Around we go. 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, excellent. Now we're gonna walk and we're gonna keep our core strong, and then we're gonna bend forward and we're gonna stand up again. And these are gonna be little ab crunches, so I want a strong core here. So only bend down as much as it's comfortable for you. You are welcome to take your fingers and put them against your abs so you can feel them contracted. Pushing, standing, extending, stretching, contracting, and standing up. Excellent. And as you get stronger and stronger, you're welcome to bend over a little bit more each time. Perfect. Feeling the heat? Fantastic. One more time down. Up we go. Let's go ahead and pop up into a health bounce. Pull our heels in, point the feet out, squeeze those buns. Palms on the handlebar again, elbows in tight. Squeeze those triceps, 30% intensity. Jaw closed. Full body squeeze here. Emphasis on the buns, the trophy buns, arms in tight. Play around with your positioning here. You can move closer to your handlebar. That might help you activate. Tuck your buns in so you're leaning a little bit forward. We're gonna do a waist hold, flex next. You're welcome to do both hands at the same time. Otherwise, I'm gonna cue you with right for 30, left for 30. Hold strong here in your glutes and triceps for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just relax and health bounce. Put your right hand on your waist here. If you're doing both, stay centered down your mat. You're welcome to keep your balls of your feet connected to your mat. Heels are bobbing. Now let's go ahead and switch hand positions and just explore. So each time you do this workout, you're welcome to do it differently. Put your 4 fingers forward, thumb back, and then put your thumb forward. You can lower your hand, grab your lower hip, and just move your hand around. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Standing nice and tall, strong core and back. Feel that stretch happening into your shoulder. Beautiful, into your wrist. Forearms into your elbow. Beautiful. Fingers. Pull it up if you want. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. We're going to put our hand on our shoulder here. Fingers on the shoulder. And we're going to squeeze our shoulders here. Excellent. So I'm just squeezing my shoulder on and off. And then let's go ahead and rotate our hand around, giving our wrist a little stretch. We can twist the light bulb here. I've got a nice squeeze in my bicep and in my lat. Let's go ahead and grab the shoulder one last time and switch. Hand on the shoulder, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Perfect. And then let's rotate the wrist and the hand, keeping a nice squeeze in the bicep. Let's do a little light bulb turn. Keeping strong. You can even have this other arm nice and strong here. Let's squeeze the shoulder, 2 and 1. Perfect. We're gonna do a tricep hammer extension. Arm tight into your side. Pull the elbow back, extend, contract. Extend and squeeze the tricep, contract the bicep, tricep, bicep, back strong. Core strong, standing so upright, jaw closed. 3, 2, 1. Switch, extend, contract. Pull that elbow back, keeping your arm tight into your side. Extend, contract. Perfect. Standing straight up the middle of your mat. Calm breath, mind to muscle connection. 3, 2, 1. Relax your full body. Give your shoulders some circles here, going back. Now let's rotate forward here. Perfect. Now we're gonna do some Tai Chi twists. So standing right up the center of your mat, go ahead and reach back, keeping yourself nice and poised. This time, keep your head forward, look over your shoulder. Reach your hand behind you, staying so centered. Perfect. One swan arm, up we go. Reach over to the side and up and down. Other arm, up we go. Over and up and down. And relax for 5, 4. Bring your bounce down to a stop. 2, 1, and done. Excellent job. Feel free to do this class again another time in the day. Maybe this is your second time. Fantastic. Maybe one and done is perfect for you. Bouncing is so exceptional for the body. We don't need to do more, but we get to do more because it's so low impact and it's so fun and it's so sustainable for us because of our rebounders here and the comfort of our own home. And so we love to see you in as many classes as we can. And so you are getting into and staying in the best health and the best shape of your life. Go ahead and give this video a like if you liked this routine and you plan on doing it again. Have a fantastic rest of your trophy day. We'll see you in these weekly classes. Take care. Lots of love. Bye-bye.